Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear students. In today's session, we are going to solve the sum number 5. It means question number 5 from the exercise. Standard 12 account chapter 7. This solution of partnership firm. Sum number 5. It means question number 5 from the exercise. Okay. Pass journal entry for the following transaction of firm in case of forms of this solution. Okay. First, at the time of this solution, the book value of goodwill is rupees 56,000. No amount is realized. Okay. If any amount is not realized from goodwill, at that time we have to write down the answer no entry. Okay. In journal entry, first answer we have to write down no entry. Okay. Then in the balance sheet, land and building is of rupees 8 lakh, investment of rupees 2 lakh are disclosed. Respectively, rupees 9 lakh and rupees 1 lakh 50,000 are realized from them. First, we have to close the assets account, and that assets account will be transferred to realization account. Okay, it means journal entry will be realization account debited 10 lakh, to land and building account 8 lakh, to investment account 2 lakh rupees. Okay, and after that assets value realized. Okay, at that time we have to write down amount in cash and bank account. Okay, first we have to close the assets account and we have to transfer that amount in realization account, and the journal entry will be realization account debited 10 lakh rupees, to land and building account 8 lakh rupees, to investment account 2 lakh rupees. Okay, being narration related to that. At the time of this solution, all assets account are closed and transferred to realization account. Okay, and the realization value of the assets is land and building realized 9 lakh rupees, and for investment an amount of rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Fine. It means cash and bank account debited, to realization account 10 lakh 50,000 rupees, being amount realized from sales of land and building and investment. Okay. Now the third one is total assets of firm are rupees 2 lakh, out of which 40% are current assets including cash of rupees 10,000. Book value is realized. Okay. Total current assets of 2 lakh is 40% of 2 lakh is current assets. It means 80,000 rupees. But out of that 80,000 of current assets, 10,000 is for cash balance. Okay. It means remaining current asset we have to write down 70,000 rupees. Fine. First journal entry we will write down third. First it means A, realization account debited 1 lakh 90,000, to current assets 70,000. Okay. To fixed assets account 1 lakh 20,000, total 1 lakh 90,000, being assets account closed and transferred to realization account. Okay. After that it is given that book value is realized. Okay. Book value is realized. It means that time we have to write down journal entry as a cash and bank account debited to realization account, total an amount of rupees 1 lakh 90,000, being amount realized for fixed assets and current assets. Okay. Fine. Now fourth number, goodwill is not disclosed in the books, but rupees 50,000 are realized during the dissolution. Okay, during the dissolution we realized 50,000 for goodwill. At that time we have to write down the journal entry as a cash and bank account debited to realization account an amount of rupees 50,000, amount realized for sales of goodwill. Okay. Fine. Now fifth number. The value of laptop is rupees 35,000. One partner has taken it for rupees 25,000. Okay. First, we have to write down journal entry of laptop realization account debited to laptop account an amount of rupees 35,000 being at the time of this solution laptop account closed and transferred to realization account. Okay, and now that assets, it means laptop, is taken over by one partner. Fine. At that time, second journal entry will be partner's capital account debited to realization account at rupees 25,000. Okay, the value of laptop is of rupees 35,000, but partners take away that assets at rupees 25,000. Okay, it means partner's capital account debited to realization account 25,000 being one of the partners taken laptop for rupees 25,000 at the time of dissolution. Fine. Now next is a partner has accepted to pay loan of his Srimati rupees 40,000 which was given to the firm. Okay. If any partner has accepted to pay his Srimati's loan, okay, at that time the journal entry will be Srimati loan account debited to partner's capital account. Fine. Being one of the partner accepted to pay the loan of Srimati. Okay. Now seventh number is income tax liability is now payable rupees 30,000. It is not recorded in the book. Fine. Okay. Liability is paid and not recorded in the books. At that time, answer here will be, it means we have to write down the journal entry for seventh number transaction. Realization account debited to cash and bank account. Okay, amount of rupees 30,000 being unrecorded income tax liability is paid. Fine. Okay. Now next one is after making payment of all liabilities and loan of partners of firm, surplus of assets is rupees 1,20,000. The profit and loss during sharing ratio of partners A, B and C are 5:3:2. Okay. At that time you have to write out realization account debited 1,20,000 to partners A capital current account, to partners B capital current account, to partner C's capital current account, and that amount of 1,20,000 for surplus will be distributed between them as per their profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. Okay, it means for first partner A's capital current account 60,000, for B's capital current account 36,000, and for C's capital current account 24,000 rupees. Being surplus of sundry assets distributed to partners capital current account in ratio of 5:3:2. Okay. Now next one is ninth number transaction. Machine is disclosed in the books at the time of this solution for rupees 2 lakh. Book value is realized. Okay. First, machine is disclosed in the books at the time of this solution at rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Ninth journal entry, first journal entry, realization account debited to machinery account 2 lakh rupees being machinery account closed and transferred to realization account at the time of this solution. Fine. And book value is realized. Okay. At that time, second journal entry related to that, cash and bank account debited to realization account being rupees 2 lakh realized for machinery, and amount of rupees 2 lakh will be written. Okay. Now next one is one partner has accepted responsibility to undertake a dissolution procedure. In the written of it, decided to pay Remuneration of rupees 20,000 on account of expense firm has paid him rupees 12,000. Okay. First we have to write down the journal entry. Realization account debited to partner's capital account of rupees 20,000, being responsibility of this solution expenses accepted by the partner. Okay. And the second journal entry will be written related to debt. Partner's capital account debited to cash and bank account an amount of rupees 12,000, being firm paid amount to the partners for their dissolution expenses. Okay. Fine. Now 11th number. Okay. There are debtors of rupees 1,20,000 and creditors of rupees 60,000 at the time of dissolution of firm. One partner has taken debtors at 20% than the book value less and accepted to pay the creditors. Okay. First, 11th first journal entry. Realization account debited to debtors account 1,20,000, being debtors account closed and transferred to realization account. Okay. Then for creditors, creditors account debited to realization account an amount of rupees 60,000, being creditors account closed and transferred to realization account. Okay. After that, partners has taken debtors at rupees 20% less than the book value. Partners capital current account debited to realization account 96,000. In narration, being partners taken debtors, being partners taken debtors at 20% lesser value. Okay. Amount of rupees 96,000. Fine. Fourth journal entry related to 11th number. Realization account debited to partners capital current account 60,000, being partner accepted to pay the creditors. Okay. Fine. Now last one is 12th number. The profit and loss sharing ratio between partners R, B and I is 3:2:1. Undertake the disposal disposal of the following balances. Okay, for first one is general reserve 80,000, general reserve 18,000. General reserve account debited to R's capital current account, to B's capital current account, to I's capital current account in their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. Okay, it means for R capital's current account 9,000, B's capital current account 6,000, I's capital current account 3,000, being amount of general reserve transferred to partner's capital current account. Okay, next one is debit balance of profit and loss account an amount of rupees 12,000. First, R's capital current account debited as per their profit sharing ratio 6,000 rupees. B's capital current account debited an amount of rupees 4,000. I's capital current account debited an amount of rupees 2,000. To profit and loss account an amount of rupees 12,000. Being profit and loss account transferred to partner's capital current account in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, and the third one is workman accident compensation fund of rupees 18,000. Okay, workman accident compensation fund account debited 18,000 rupees, distributed between the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. To R's capital current account 9,000, to B's capital current account 6,000, to I's capital current account an amount of rupees 3,000, being balance of workman accident compensation fund account transfer to partners capital current account in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, in today's session we have completed our chapter. Goodbye, take care all of you.